What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, I'm on my way to the gym. It's early as a mug. I'm trying to get it in early, so I figured I'd start my video early. First, I want to thank everybody for continuing to send in, excuse me, I got this retained in my mouth. To send in their photos, man, their rides. I really enjoy seeing y'all rides. Hopefully, y'all getting more followers, those who are sending me their social media as well. Y'all got some dope rides, man. Like I say, some of you guys need to start a YouTube channel, man, or at least an Instagram, and you know, showing your cars, man. Y'all got some dope rides. It's really inspirational to me, and I'm glad that you guys are enjoying it. Like I say, man, it's the car channel. You know, this is a family, man, and whatever you guys got to share, if it's YouTube appropriate, you know, I'll post it, man. I really don't care. I'm one of them YouTubers, man. It's just all about the cars with me, man. It's not about anything else. So, man, I want y'all to continue to send in your pictures.
Later that same evening.
All right, guys, I'm in Baltimore, Maryland. I gotta pick up some mail from down here. It's been a minute since I've been in Baltimore. Don't look like nothing changed. Let's get to this wide body. Look at that, man. This junk fresh, man. Red eye, look at that. Red eye on them folks. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, you find a drink. Hey, that's what's up, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here. See this guy right here? SRT Bone, one of the coolest cats you'll ever meet. He found his red eye watching my dealership Saturday videos. And that's why I do those videos, man, when I go to the dealership. It's not about window shopping or nothing like that. I do those videos for you guys. And also, guys, you can follow him on YouTube. He got a YouTube channel. So y'all go over there and follow him on YouTube. I'm going to leave a link in the description to his channel. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. That's my whole point of doing it, man. See, people can see what they want, you know? Yeah, this thing beautiful, man. Yeah. I remember seeing this joint. I was like, man, this joint pretty, man. How you like it? Like it? What's up? So what all you done to? I see you tinted the windows.
Wrap the hood right now.
Yeah. Yep. Hood wrap. Yeah, this beautiful right here, man.
Dealership Saturdays going.
Yeah, I am, man. I am. There, man. Yeah. Definitely.
Ready to fight.
Yeah, man. People's giving me. They did. That's what's up, man. That's what's up.